Good morning, beautiful people. It's your favorite financial life coach, and welcome to another episode of 5 Minute Finance with Coach Star. Today, I'm super excited because it is day one of our June Money Challenge, the Own Your Freedom 5-Day Money Makeover. Don't forget when you come into the live or come into the space to type in hashtag IAW. That stands for I am wealthy, because we are creating a mindset. We are setting our intentions and we are manifesting financial success in our life to organize our finances and live the life that we deserve. So for some of us, our relationship with our finances and our money can be, complicated, challenging, overwhelming, chaotic even, right? But I firmly believe with a little bit of effort and a little bit of applied energy, we can organize our finances to, again, live the life that we deserve. And the most important thing, first and foremost thing that we should do, and I think with any financial evolution or transformation, it's important that you have a plan. Plan to fail, fail to plan. So when it comes to our finances, it's no different, right? It's important that we create a plan, a roadmap for our money. And so we tell our money where to go instead of wondering where it went, like Dave Ramsey always says, right? So today I want to focus on the dreaded B word, and that is a budget. And so a budget doesn't have to be complicated. And my advice to you today when it comes to budgeting is to try out various budget styles that work for you. In my new book, Live Freely, Freedom to Work Whenever, Wherever, I discuss various budget styles that I implemented and that I use to pay off $33,000 worth of debt, save an emergency fund, save to invest, fire my boss, and begin traveling the world. But it's important, like I said, you find something that you connect with, something that you can implement into your financial lifestyle, because it is a lifestyle. For example, there's 3 types that I talk about. It's the zero balance budget, the 50-30-20, and the envelope system. So let's take a look at the 50-30-20 budget plan, which is a simple budget plan. And let me just back up a little bit when it comes to budget. Keep it super simple. Is that essentially all it is a snapshot or a bigger picture plan in terms of how much money you make, how much money you spend, and how much money you save. That's essentially all a budget is. But again, creating a structure and apply effort and energy to that to create success. So for example, if you wanted to use the 50-30-20 plan, that's a simple budget plan where you allocate 50% of your income to your needs, food, shelter, transportation, etc. 30% of your income goes to wants, like shopping, gym membership, vacations, etc. And then 20% you would allocate towards saving and investing. So that's a simple budgeting strategy that you can implement into your financial lifestyle. So once you test out various budget styles, find what works for you. Then lastly, it's important to understand that a budget is a work in progress, right? So you're not going to get it right the first time, and it's perfectly okay. It takes 21 days to create a habit. It takes 90 days to create a lifestyle. So hope that helps, and I will see you tomorrow on day 2 of our Own Your Freedom 5-Day Money Makeover. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section. And until next time. Be great and live freely.